Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist Kate McKenna.
We're back to a mainly quiet picture here across the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, but I can tell you, it doesn't look like it's going to stay that way much longer. We've got another round of storms that will be moving in very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. But look at the wider picture here. At least what's going on around Little Rock through Arkansas is not directly heading our way. Now, if you look at how the polygons are drawn here, it does look like they're tracking due east, and to a certain extent that is true, but the storms that we're seeing in Arkansas are not going to be as strong as they are currently by the time they get closer to North Alabama. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. We'll go through that future radar side of things one more time. And we'll also talk about Wednesday, but here's what it looks like currently all across the WAAY 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. Temperatures back down into the 60s. We won't be cooling much from where we are right now. And although we have been reporting a mostly cloudy sky in spots, you can still see that that's mostly clear there in Guntersville. Just a few passing clouds. Same thing in that view from Decatur. But heading out the door tomorrow morning, the clouds are building back in later tonight. They will be with us for your morning commute. And we're also bringing back a few showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone sees rain tomorrow, but the best chance of seeing that is going to be through the first half of the day. And temperatures at their coolest will be dropping into the upper 50s by sunrise. By the afternoon, it is warm, it is windy, but remember, the best chance for rain is mainly during the morning hours. By the afternoon, we catch a little bit of a breather. Wind out of the south gusting to 25 miles per hour. Our highs approaching the 80-degree mark. So watch what happens here as we go through the rest of tonight. There's midnight, now all the way into 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here comes this cluster of thunderstorms out of the west, tracking towards the east. And as we get closer to 10 a.m., most of this is going to be now east of I-65, and then it continues off towards Georgia, and we are left with this view by 3 o'clock. Yeah, spotty showers possible, but we'll even see some sun breaks. That really does help bring up those temperatures through tomorrow night into early Wednesday. Here comes this entire swath of rain that moves through early Wednesday morning, 2 a.m. Now all the way to, let's say, 7 a.m. That round pushes off towards the east-northeast, and then we'll have some scattered showers and thunderstorms, it looks like, possible through the first part of the day. But the big kind of main event on Wednesday is this line of storms that comes through late in the evening, and the best chance for seeing the strongest storms is going to be across our western counties. That little sliver of red there, that's a level 3 out of 5. That's indicative of numerous severe storms. Most of North Alabama is in that level 2 risk area, so scattered severe storms, maybe 1 or 2 tornadoes is what we're expecting for most of the area. When we say 1 or 2 tornadoes, we mean those embedded tornadoes within this line that's moving through, which gives us the best chance for damaging straight line wind as the highest threat on the list. We're also going to get an inch of heavy rain as all of this is moving through. So we're picking back up here 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, and notice a few showers kind of grazing across northwest Alabama, all of that lifting farther up into Kentucky. And here's what we've got by 6:30 Wednesday evening, this little kind of cluster, broken line almost, of thunderstorms fading as they approach the state line. And the general trend that we see, these thunderstorms are likely going to weaken as they're tracking eastward, but we certainly need to be on guard, especially if you are closer to the Mississippi line. Past 8:30, this line continues to track eastward. It's right along I-65 by 11 o'clock. That pushes towards Sand Mountain. And then finally, this last broken line of storms moves across I-65 by 3 a.m. Thursday morning. It's out into Georgia by 7 a.m. That brings the threat for severe weather to a close for now with that round of storms. Look at the 7-day forecast. Notice all the little rockets there. Yeah, their trash pandas are back at home starting tomorrow. Should not be a weather impact for first pitch. And then as we look ahead to Easter, looks like a few showers and thunderstorms back in our forecast.